guys, assalamu alaikum, it's Jenna G. Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to my kitchen for another cooking video. In today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a super easy, super simple, one of my favorite side dishes whenever I am going, whenever I'm ordering Arabian style food in Trinidad. I must get tabbouleh. So in today's video I'm going to show you guys how super easy and simple it is to put together tabbouleh. So like I said, this is one of my must-haves. Usually it'll be Arabian or Arabic rice with the skewers, with the kebabs and tabbouleh. So it's going to be a pretty straightforward, super short, easy and quick video for you guys to follow along with. It's actually not hard to put together and it's delicious. So let's jump into this video.
So we're going to talk about the ingredients. I've got myself some fresh parsley here. You can get fresh parsley at most of the supermarkets. I'm going to be using some olive oil, bulgur wheat. I'll talk about that in a minute. I'm going to also be using some salt, black pepper, of course to your liking, some fresh thyme that came from husband's garden actually. I'm going to be using cucumbers, garlic, some tomatoes and some lime juice as well. These are the basic ingredients we're going to be using in today's video. So to start off, I'm going to be working with this bulgur wheat. This is what it looks like. It's grainy and you're going to basically just cook it or follow the instructions to the back of the packaging. There's usually instructions on how to go about preparing it. So for this particular one or most of them, what you'll need to do is just basically boil it, or you can put it in a bowl with some boiling water for a couple of minutes.
So the bulgur wheat is one of the main components when you're making or any sort of Middle Eastern cuisine. They use a lot of this bulgur wheat, and in the tabbouleh it's one of the main components. But if you aren't able to get it at your local supermarkets, there are numerous gourmet food stores in Trinidad that you can find it in. So if you don't get it at your local supermarket, check out any of the gourmet food stores in Trinidad and you will get your pack of the bulgur wheat. If by chance you are not able to get across to one of the gourmet food stores, or even if you go there and just by chance they don't happen to have bulgur wheat, you can substitute it for couscous or you can use quinoa in place of it.
So while our bulgur wheat is soaking, I'm going to prepare all the other ingredients. I'm going to be chopping up the cucumbers very thinly. I'm going to slice them up and then cut them into very small pieces. I'm also going to do the same thing for the tomatoes, cut them up really small, and also for the parsley. Now you have the option of using a food chopper or food processor to chop up the parsley, or you can just use your knife and your hands. Once it gets all chopped up really small, that's perfect. Then I'm just going to add everything to a bowl and grate some garlic into it. By this time the bulgur wheat should be fine, so I'm just going to remove it from the boiling water, and you want to squeeze all that water out of it. You have the option of using a cloth to do so as well. Once you've squeezed out the water, you're going to add it to the bowl with the chopped parsley and the tomatoes and the cucumbers. Add your lime juice, add your olive oil, and also add your salt and your black pepper according to your taste. So you can taste it and adjust, add more if necessary. Just add it according to your preference. Then just mix everything up, guys, and believe it or not, this is your tabbouleh recipe.
Quick, easy, simple, straightforward video for you guys. If you've never made tabbouleh before and enjoyed eating it, you wondered how to make it, I hope this video was very informative in terms of getting it done. Like I said, super easy. Just combine all the ingredients together, mix it all up, put it in the fridge to chill until whenever you're ready to eat it, just take it out and serve it. Delicious stuff. So I hope you guys enjoyed this super short video and give it a try. Of course, when you do try it out, send me photos, of course, to my Instagram or even my Facebook page. Let me know down below how differently you might make your tabbouleh, or comment on it. Let me know what you guys think about it. It's, like I said, one of my favorite things, and I definitely think that if you've never made it before, give this one a try. So of course the full recipe for this video will be posted down below, the link, check that out. You guys can get an idea of all the exact ingredients ingredients and the measurements that I used in this particular video. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Try it out. Of course, check out the website, the link down below for the full recipe and the list of ingredients. Have fun with it, most importantly with anything that you're doing in the kitchen. Thank you as always for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video.